So this is quite typical of the type of condensation, dampness and mould that is found in many homes. And to combat that, now we're going to install a New Air DryMaster PIV. It's the DryMaster Eco Heat HC model, and we're going to get on with it now. So the diffuser vent is on, and it's just 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So inside the loft, the unit has been fitted. It's installed now. Although if I just turn that around so you can see, always careful to separate these power cables away from this communication tight table there. It does talk about that in the instructions, but yeah, it's good practice to do. And so it's left where we've just got just the load ready to wire into the spur there, the 3 amp fuse spur that we've got. Okay, but yeah, that's what the installation looks like. We just can just come out a little bit more. There we go. So this unit is now switched on, and I'll show you a close-up. Well, this one is set at number 5 because the house had got quite a problem, as you could have seen earlier on. So with the other knob here, this one actually regulates the temperature of the heating element there. Now, as it's only 400 watt, and it's winter time now, so I usually set that one to max, and I advise the customers that they can set that to where they want after the winter time, but it's probably advisable to have it like that during the winter time. And as you can see, the speed I've set is on number 5, so the available speeds are from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 6 being maximum. So I think that number 5 is best suited for this house due to the levels of condensation dampness, and obviously again advise the customer that if they wish during spring and summertime they can turn that back down again. Okay, all that's left now is to install the cover, and that's done. So we'll do that now. And that's the job done. Hour and a half.